In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to round corners in Adobe Illustrator quickly and professionally. This is one of the most useful techniques when you're designing logos, icons, social media graphics, UI elements, or any kind of modern layout. Rounded corners instantly make your designs look cleaner and more polished. The best part is that Illustrator makes this incredibly easy once you know where to look. So if that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Illustrator tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. This method works best for rectangles and most basic shapes that you create directly inside Illustrator. First, open your Illustrator document and select the shape that you want to edit. You can use the Selection tool, which is the black arrow at the top of your toolbar, or simply press V on your keyboard as a shortcut. Click once on your rectangle or shape to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box appear around it. Now here's the important part. After selecting the shape, look closely at the corners. You should see small white circles appear near each corner of the shape. These are called corner widgets. If you don't see them, make sure your shape is not grouped or expanded in a way that removes live corner controls. Also, double-check that you're using a recent version of Illustrator because this feature is built into modern versions. Once you see the small white circles on the corners, all you have to do is click and drag one of those circles inward toward the center of the shape. As you drag inward, you'll notice the corners begin to round in real time. Keep dragging until you achieve the exact level of roundness that you want. The further you drag, the more rounded the corners become. If you drag too far, Illustrator will automatically stop you at the maximum possible roundness for that shape. By default, dragging one corner widget will adjust all four corners equally. This is perfect when you want consistent rounded corners on a rectangle or square. However, if you only want to round one specific corner, you can use the Direct Selection tool, which is the white arrow, or press A on your keyboard. Click on a single anchor point to isolate it, then drag just that corner's widget. This gives you more control and lets you create custom shapes with mixed corner styles. There's also another way to control corner rounding more precisely. With the shape selected, go to the Properties panel. Under the Transform section, you'll see a field for corner radius. You can manually type in an exact pixel value. This is especially useful if you're working on UI design or branding projects where exact measurements matter. Simply enter the value you want, press Enter, and Illustrator will apply that exact radius to your selected shape. If you ever want to undo or reduce the roundness, just drag the corner widget outward again toward the original sharp corner. You can always adjust it as long as the shape remains live and hasn't been permanently expanded. And that's it. That's how you round corners in Illustrator using the built-in corner widgets. It's fast, flexible, and perfect for rectangles and most standard shapes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Illustrator tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.